My name is Mohini Chandra and I am the subject leader of BA Photography at Plymouth College of Art. I thought you might like to hear a little bit more about our program and perhaps why you might like to study photography. I'm a photographer and I also make video works and installations, and we encourage this really broad perspective on our course so you can experiment as much as you want and try to incorporate other media into your work. The thing that makes our course different, I think, is that it's an arts-focused BA photography, and that means that we focus on the creative and experimental side of photography. However, if you want to take straight photographs and you want to document groups of people or a particular situation, we're also really interested in that. So we like the really photographic as well. It's a really nice combination. We have amazing photography facilities that range from professional grade studios, lighting and camera equipment. So there's a really huge range of media that you can try. We have an amazing visiting lecture program as well. We really are able to bring out the diversity of approaches, and all of our visiting lecturers will stop and take the time to look at our students' work as well. So they'll stay in the studio and run a crit and get some outside advice. We have a really nice staff team. There's 4 of us in photography. We're also supported by a really amazing technical team. All of us are artists or writers on photography, really passionate about the medium. And we will take you through various technical means of achieving your ideas, realising your goals, but then towards the end of the project you'll have some time to come up with your own solution, your own creative way forward, and we encourage that right from the first year. Everybody you meet is a creative, right from the people who work in reception through to the people that teach you. We're all artists and come from a creative background. Everybody who's studying here is doing something creative in art and design, and so that creates a real atmosphere. It's very, very special. I think it's unlike any other university.